This isn't just a 10-acre property, it's a destination. Welcome to The Point.
Just let me rock you till the break of day.
Listen, am I dreaming?